Hi there, now let me introduce the function of customer statistic for you. As you can see, the below is the transaction data of food for recent 1 year, and I set Malaysia as exporter location. Now let us choose some transaction. I think this transaction that I have chosen the importer location from Japan, US are very useful to me. So I select them and click this button, Save for Statistics. A small window appears and we can name this workbench here. I named it Food and the date 06/13. Okay, then click Save. So this transaction has saved to the workbench of this. Click Customer Statistics. It will turn to the page of Customer Statistics. You can see that the workbench we have just created is right here, and it also includes the search content. What we are searching for is the data for food exported from Malaysia for the past 1 year. We have saved 10 pieces of transaction, so the number of items is 10. When we want to change the name of this workbench, we can click Edit and then enter a new name and save it. I want to add 2025. Click Save. So the name is changed. When we feel that the data on this workbench, for example, this one, is no longer needed and useful to us, we can remove it by clicking it. Confirm. It should be noted that an account can be 10 workbenches at most, and each workbench can be contain 2,000 pieces of data. That is to say, the number of items in this workbench can be only 2,000 pieces of data at most. Okay, when we click on Statistics, we will come to this page. These are the data we have selected. We can see the analysis of this data, the details, as well as the list of importers and exporters. Okay, let's go back to the search interface. I remove my selection. Okay, you can see these are the same conditions, have not changed. Let's check the data on the next page. As our system is supposed to select the data in different pages, you can select whatever you want, like this, and you can change to another page. Okay, I choose some data. When I click Save for Statistics, you can see the data I have selected has successfully saved to the workbench I have created. And when we click the Customer Statistic, it will turn to this page. You can see the items has changed. When we click the statistics again, we can see the related content has been updated. Okay, there is some problem as our system have not updated now, so we need some more time to update this workbench. Okay, let's come back to this page. Please note that when the search conditions we set are different, the data cannot be added to one workbench. For example, if the product I search for is chicken, is quite different from the food. And I select some data. When I click Save for Statistics, I can only create a new workbench and cannot add this data to workbench I have created before. Okay. When we want to view the workbench we have created, we can find it here. My Blooming, Customer Statistics, click it, and we can see it, the workbench we have created. Okay, that's all the function of Customer Statistics.